And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, anywhere you run to, we are going to come for you.
The word from the police to criminals fleeing St. Catherine following the declaration of another state of emergency.
Anthony Lugg reports.
On Tuesday, residents living in the St. Catherine North Police Division woke up to increased police military presence and the usual security checkpoints, which follows the declaration of a state of emergency.
This is not about oppressing law-abiding citizens. We know the persons that we have interest in.
The measure follows last week's unrest in the Old Capital and surrounding areas following the police fatal shooting of reputed leader of the One Order gang, Othniel Thickman Laban. It's understood the area remains volatile, and as a result, the security forces requested immediate intervention to address the escalating threat to public safety and to prevent further destabilization. Already, some criminals have been displaced, and police intelligence suggests they've fled to other communities. Acting Assistant Commissioner in charge of Area 5, Christopher Phillips, issued this warning.
All those persons running up and down out of St. Catherine, anywhere you run to and we need you, we're going to come for you right there. Because, we find that most of the key persons have already, gone out of the parish, but we're going to come at you just the same.
The police operations on Tuesday led to several arrests and seizures.
We picked up earlier a person of interest in the triple murder in Central Village, and investigation is on way with that. Several other persons, an AK-47 rifle was seized earlier, one man arrested in the Central Village area, and earlier we had over 50 rounds seized in the Toys Meadows community.
While the police saw those successes, motorists face challenges. This as the coordinated surge at the checkpoints led to major traffic pileup in some areas. ACP Phillips has taken note of the concerns.
It's something that we discussed earlier with the management team, and as we go along we will be assessing, doing the evaluation of these checkpoints. But we're definitely not going to support that kind of congestion, especially during peak hour. We're going to try our best to manage that.
Meanwhile, businesses will be allowed to open until 9 p.m. on weekdays and 10 p.m. on weekends. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.